Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine. And welcome back to another video of beautiful designer style and easy to make hand embroidery patterns. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you. If you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you're watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave comments in the comment section so that we could get to know what you feel about our content. Now let's move back towards our main content, which is which type of design ideas are being shown to you in our today's latest collection of designs. So guys, you have heard me right. Today's ideas are totally based on sleeves embroidery designs, but along with sleeves embroidery design, different type of stylized patterns for neckline and dupattas, taller, and many more creativities are also being shared with you to give a more creative and full-fledged backup look for the whole dress. So now let's move back towards our main content. Guys, in the sleeves design patterns, you are going to see different type of floral patterns, which is a whole combination of borderline embroidery along with motifs embroidery, along with all over floral small mini flower patterns, and the treat is on to you. And the choice is towards you that which you want and which design you want to make or recreate. The beauty and creativity of these designs is that they are bidimensional. That is, you can equally use these patterns of embroidery for hand embroidery and also you can use them for machine embroidery as well. So I would recommend you to do try this pattern if you are an artist, you are a lover of hand embroidery, or you are a beginner of hand embroidery, and you are in search of making beautiful, trendy, creative, and amazing ideas of hand embroidery. So guys, I bet this collection is absolutely for you. And for more new, latest, upcoming, and trendy videos, stay tuned with us. Keep watching our content, keep liking us, keep supporting us as you always have been. Because with your love and support, we have reached at this level, and with your love and support, we will continue to grow. Guys, if you have already subscribed my channel, then subscribers are again very important. You can subscribe to number of many other devices as well, and massively share my videos with your friends and family who like the art of hand embroidery so that we could grow up into a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.